You need to hear this if you're a nature lover. The mountain chickadee is here to blow your mind. These little guys can remember where they've hidden up to 80,000 seeds. That's right, 80,000. They stash these seeds all over the place to survive the harsh winter, but that's not all. Mountain chickadees can also sing different songs to warn their buddies of danger. Talk about multitasking. So next time you see a chickadee, remember, you're looking at a tiny, feathered genius. Follow for more odd facts about things you never knew you needed to know.